Alright, so the very first step we always consider is to understand the given specifications of the block we are about to draw. So isometric blocks don't always have specifications, so you have to formulate them by understanding the given block. So that's how we always formulate what we are given. So these two blocks, we are asked to assemble them, the two parts together, and draw them, the front elevation, the direction of our x, a plan, and the two end elevations of the two blocks. So that's why we have to draw these two blocks first before we do all of this, and that's why this video is for you. So let's start with a sketch of how the block look like. So that's understanding it, the specifications using the sketch. So for this first block that we're drawing, let's use this part. Alright, so we have in here 2.6 centimeter. All calibrations are given in millimeter, but always convert to centimeter divided by 10. So here's 3.6. Having this part here, we also have this other part which is here 30 degrees, then the 90 degrees here, the perpendicular line of is not given. We're having 3.6 centimeter as the height of this part here. Alright, so 3.6 and here is not given, which is this is not given, but this other part here that is being slanted, this other slanted part, the height is 1.5 cm, and it starts from here. If you trace this line now, it starts from here, goes up, is 1.5 centimeter, and the total length of this part here is 3.6. So 3.6 minus 1.5, here we are having 2.1 centimeter. So this part is 2.1 cm. That's how we get the height of this part. So here is 2.1. Alright, good. Then here is 8 cm. Good. So we've taken this part 2.1 as the height. Good. Then here is 8. Here is 3.6. Let's be marking them so that we know what we're doing. Let's also take these parts as 2.1, join them together. We will take the height of this part 3.6, so it's going to be longer than this part here, 3.6. Alright, then we have this slanted part. The distance from this part of this line to where this slanted part is 1.5. If you trace it downwards, you can see it here, 1.5. So you mark 1.5. That's how we get the slanted height now. Mark 1.5 cm here. After doing so, also in this part, using your set square, then measure 3.5 cm upwards and 3.6 cm since it's the height of this part. So when you measure 3.6 cm, wherever it is, you join the line together with this. Then you extend this line and join it with this. So it's going to be slant. Then you join it together. So this is for the slanted part. Then you join the line. Good. Then extend this line too. By the length of this part is not given, but you have the total length of the block as 8 cm, but this part is not given. But and the length of this slant, where the slanted part starts from at the top, the length is 1.5 cm. 8 minus 1.5, that's giving us 6.5 cm. So this part will be 6.5. That would be the length of this part, 6.5 centimeter. So here the line did not just run through, it enters inside by 2.6 cm is given. Alright, so at this part you draw here 1.5, here 1.2 and 1.2 because it's given. Then you extend it inside by 2.6, you join it together. So that's for this block. We're done with this block. For this other block here, you draw, we're having total length 3.6 and 3.6 here, 3.6 here. Then extend the line up by 2 cm. Good. After doing so, then the length, extend it inside by 2.6. You can trace the line upwards 2.6. Good. So this for this other part too, extend it in by 1.2 is given. Then this part, extend it up by 2 cm is given the height. Take it in by 1.2. Good. Then let's finish this front end elevation. You extend it up by 3.6 because the height is given here. Trace it 3.6. So you extend here 3.6, 3.6. then we're having 1.2 out, 1.2. Then take it up by, here is 3 cm. So we first have here 3 cm. Then this other part here, for this top is 2 cm, which is this part. Then 3 cm this part. So 3 plus 2, 5. Take it up by 5 cm. So take it in by 1.8. 1.8. Take it up by 2 cm. Then join it together. It's a sketch, so that's why it's not going to look accurate. Alright, because we are understanding what we are about to draw. But while we are drawing, we will get more understanding. Then for this other part here, the total height for this side is 2 plus 3, 5 plus 3.6, 8.6. Take it up by 8.6. Alright. Then here will be this part 3.6 cm. 3.6. Then take it in by 2.6. The length here is given 2.6. So that means this other part will be 1.1 cm. Then this other part, you take it in by 2.6 to indicate that there's a block here, that's where it stops. For this part, you take it inside to indicate that this block is here. Alright. Then after doing that, you join this top part together. Good. Then take it in by 1.8 cm. Then join it together. Take it up by 2 cm. Good. Then join them together. Then extend here. And join it together. So as you can see, we've just drawn the sketch of the block, as simple as that. So let's start drawing without wasting much of our time. Good, so we are actually done with this first block here. As you can see, we're done with it. Now let's go to this other part that looks so complicated. done drawing the two isometric blocks that we were asked to assemble and section together, also draw the elevations. So in the next video, you will learn how to assemble the two blocks, how to section the two blocks, and how to draw the elevations of these two blocks. Tutorials on how to draw an isometric block is in my channel. Do want to watch those videos, but I'm sure you really enjoyed the video and you also want to learn more, so subscribe.